Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Disconnect the wireless LAN antenna cables from their connectors on the wireless LAN module. Remove the P00 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless LAN module to the system board, and allow it to release to the spring tension position. Grasp the wireless LAN module by the edges and remove it. Replacement. Align the notch in the wireless LAN module with the key in the wireless LAN module slot on the system board. At an angle, gently insert the wireless LAN module into its slot on the system board. Press and hold the wireless LAN module down and replace the P00 Phillips head screw that secures it to the system board. Connect the wireless LAN antenna cables to their connectors on the wireless LAN module.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.